let's do our first thing. So the first thing I want to ask Lily are, why are advanced non-surgical treatments better than regular facials?
So advanced non-surgical treatments are better than regular facials because we're working with the deepest layers of the skin. For example, the aging process happens in the dermal layer, right? So what happens is with radio frequency, with laser technologies, we can always stimulate more that dermal layer in order to those fibroblast cells to produce more collagen, more elastin, more hyaluronic acid. And that way is the way that we fight the aging process. So if you guys on Instagram want to let me know what are some of your favorite VIP treatments,
yeah, just ask us questions in the comments and we'll answer those for you. All right, so our next slide, what we're going to be talking about is the venous freeze.
So venous freeze, the benefits that you can see is it stimulates elasticity and collagen production, it's hydration booster, fat reduction, skin thickening, firming, contouring, and toning, increases healing process, improves skin metabolism. It's also for skin tightening, so it lifts the brows, tightens the forehead and upper cheeks, diminishes the sagging along the jawline. So venous freeze uses radio frequency technology and pulse electromagnetic fields to stimulate collagen production. Collagen is responsible for smoothing and reducing fine lines and wrinkles and makes the skin look younger while tightening loose and saggy skin. This treatment is pain-free and an all-in-one solution to target a multiple of skincare and aging concerns. So what is very unique about the venous freeze, that it doesn't only use radio frequency, it uses also pulse magnetic field. So I don't know if you have
we're gonna show you technology too. So I want to show all the technology right here.
Yes. So the name venous freeze refers to the idea of freezing time. That's why, because it's a skin tightening and a body contouring treatment. You can say that it freezes time. It's not because it's cold, it's actually warm.
It is warm.
So it feels nice. It's one of my favorite treatments. Do you like it?
It's so soothing. Yeah.
So it feels like a nice hot stone massage. And what it does is stimulating those cells in the dermal layer to produce more collagen, more elastin, and more hyaluronic acid. It says, it refers to the idea of freezing time through painless thermal magnetic rejuvenation. It does not use cold technology. It's very warm and soothing treatment. First technology to combine multiple polar radio frequency and pulse magnetic field.
So we're going to go ahead and talk about what's multipolar radio frequency and pulse magnetic fields, because I didn't know what that was. So.
Okay, so the multipolar applicator delivers high level of radio frequency simultaneously to multiple tissue depth without pain or discomfort. It creates a controlled thermal injury, and the pulse magnets help with the repair and regeneration process. It's able to reach therapeutic temperature of 102 Fahrenheit to 106 and above within 1 to 2 minutes and maintain the heat for faster treatments and better results. The radio frequency directly stimulates fibroblast cells to increase collagen synthesis. Magnets have been used in medicine for decades, and pulse magnetic fields have been proven regarding their regenerative properties, synthesis of collagen, fibroblastic proliferation, and neovascularity. So it's a very nice and overall, how do you say it, like, I can say off the word, but it's an amazing treatment that it will help not only with your skin, but it also, I don't know if someone has ever done any type of radio frequencies. Sometimes you notice that it's a little discomfortable, so it's a little uncomfortable. So because of Venus Concepts technology use pulse magnetic field, it makes the radio frequency more comfortable on the skin.
Cool. So these are a good before and after picture, so you can see the results that you will get from this and how it tightens up underneath
I see a question that it said that how many treatments. It depends your metabolism and it depends your lifestyle. So it depends what you're looking to get done. Of course, a series of treatments is most recommended.
So now let's talk about the Venus Legacy.
So Venus Legacy, this is an amazing treatment. We can use it for the face, for face sculpting, skin tightening, wrinkle reduction, fat reduction, double chin reduction, cellulite reduction. I love it for that. Contouring and toning. The Venus Legacy is a non-surgical treatment used for tightening, toning, and sculpting. It's an anti-cellulite treatment that offers a way to remove cellulite from the body and smooths out those uneven areas. So Venus Legacy is very nice if you are looking to get results when it comes to the body, for skin tightening, body contouring. The good thing about this machine is that it has suction plus radio frequency plus pulse magnetic field. So it's a very, very diverse machine that it uses 3 different technologies in one. So Venus Legacy uses multiple radio frequency, pulse magnetic field, and suction. Combining these technologies, allowing energy to be delivered into target tissue for deep penetration, while also stimulating lymphatic drainage. So if you ever get this type of treatments, make sure that you're drinking a lot of water after receiving those treatments, because your skin, basically what we're doing is we're shrinking fat cells if you're doing it for the body. So make sure that you're drinking water, a lot of water after these, because it helps with the lymphatic drainage.
So we have a question about the price.
So prices, the good thing about these treatments is they're all including within our memberships. All the memberships include all the treatments. So it depends how many treatments you want to do. But if you want to do a silver membership, a gold membership, or a platinum membership, all our treatments are included. Yeah.
Let's look at a before and after from the Venus Legacy. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Okay.
That's a nice before and after.
It is a nice before and after.
Her skin more tight as well.
Now we're going to talk about lipo-cavitation. I love this one.
So lipo-cavitation. The benefit of lipo-cavitation is for fat reduction, body shaping, cellulite reduction, skin tightening, lymphatic drainage, skin rejuvenation, contouring, and toning. So the lipo-cavitation is it's another technology. So we use sound waves to destroy fat cells permanently. So that's the difference between the Legacy and the lipo-cavitation. Legacy, it shrinks the fat cells, it removes all the lipids. This one, it destroys the membrane of the fat cell. So this treatment combines radio frequency to provide skin tightening to contour the body. The MDI slimming machine is one of the most professional and powerful body sculpting machines on the market, combining 5 advanced technologies.
Now let's talk about lipo-cavitation technology.
So the technology, this treatment uses ultrasound waves with higher frequency than the upper audible limit of human hearing. So something funny about this machine is that when you get the treatment done, you can hear it. Some people can hear it.
Yeah, it's like a buzz. I'm trying to think of what it sounds like, but it's not uncomfortable.
No, it's like something's going on.
Yeah, but no one else can hear it.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah.
So it uses ultrasound cavitation. It says waves emit into the adipose tissue of the subcutaneous tissue, resulting in the cavitation process, forming bubbles within a liquid due to a sudden pressure change. It's Its repeated action causes the accumulation of these microbubbles, which causes the fat cells to implode and collapse. The destruction of the adipose cells transforms the fat nodules into liquid substances, which the body removes naturally through the lymphatic system. So then again, lots of water after, because if you think about it, there has to be a way of the body to remove all these lipids, all these adipose fat cells as well. So we have to drink a lot of water in order to remove this from our system. So it also has vacuum suction, perform effectively lymphatic drainage to increase the elasticity and flexibility of the skin, helping eliminate toxins. And then it also has, of course, radio frequency. Delivers thermal energy deep into the dermal layer, involves applying electromagnetic waves to return physiological processes.
So I want to show you guys a video, kind of a crazy video. So basically what happens in this video is, maybe that's just the picture on here. So they have like a picture of the, what is that, like just meat and the fat, and then they're using the lipo-cavitation to basically like work it all out. Not on Instagram.
So in Facebook, you guys are seeing the video. Over there in Instagram, that's the video. So they're using the lipo machine to remove the fat from that piece of meat. A little gross, but that's very interesting how it works. I love that video.
I know, it's a cool video. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you, we're waiting for Instagram to catch up to see that video about how it just destroys that fat. It's crazy. So this is a good before and after to show you the results from lipo-cavitation. I've seen amazing results from it myself, and I can prove it with my body analysis that I just got done. It said I have like no fat, which is great. Let's see, Venus Viva is what we're gonna go talk about next. Okay.
Venus Viva is an amazing fractional radio frequency machine. The benefits that it has, it's good for scar removal, active acne removal, face resurfacing, melasma reduction, wrinkle reduction, minimize pore size, stretch marks removal, and lifting and toning effect. So the Venus Viva is an innovative facial procedure for the intensive removal of skin imperfections, ideal for skin laxity, texture improvements, acne, and scarring. Also melasma, rosacea, and stretch marks improving.
Now let's talk about the Venus Viva technology.
So the Viva technology, the Venus Viva technology, traditionally dermatological conditions such as acne, scarrings were treated with surgery or full ablation of the tissue. Given that these traditional techniques destroy epidermis and induce dermal injury, they are associated with several negative side effects. Some examples of this traditional treatment technique include abrasive dermabrasion, chemical peels, erbium jag, laser, and CO2 laser. So Venus Viva is the only nano-fractional radiofrequency technology that offers complete versatility with customized treatments, settings for multiple levels of ablation or coagulation. A public clinical study showed that 4 weeks after the last treatment, total surface area, length, and width of a white stretch mark significantly decreased from the baseline. Patient satisfaction score were from 96.65%, 93.94%, and 96.97% respectively.
Now let's go ahead and look at a before and after from the Venus Viva. And I can't wait to like post my before and afters because I just had a couple done. So yeah, that will happen soon. And maybe my face will be up there next. So the next one I want to talk about is microcurrents. I love this one too.
Oh, microcurrent.
Get rid of wrinkles.
So I had a lady today calling the spa, and she told me that she had her first treatment, one of them that included microcurrent, and she was very happy with her results.
Okay.
Yeah, she just called to let us know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was super sweet.
Mary,
if you're watching, wow, we love you.
I was talking to someone who told me, she did like a testimonial. She basically said that Leslie did half of her face, and she was just like, it was so insane because I saw how one half of my face was completely lifted and the other half wasn't. And like that really, really showed, you know, that it works.
That's
doing it that way.
Okay, microcurrent, the benefits: lifting, tightening, wrinkle reduction, increased cell renewal, boost collagen and elastin production. Microcurrent is also known as the non-surgical facelift. The treatment can deliver visible results without the need of surgery. So for microcurrent, it increases collagen production up to 60%. Fibroblast cells found within the dermal layer of the skin are responsible for production of collagen. As we age, the collagen level decreases, showing signs of aging. By increasing fibroblastic activity, we can soften lines and rehydrate the skin, allowing it to become more moisture retentive, leaving a beautiful glow. Increases elastin production up to 73%. Muscles are primarily made up of proteins, and elastin is also another form of protein. By increasing protein synthesis, the muscles become more plump, rejuvenated, refined, and improves soft lines and wrinkles.
And then the last one is it increases cell renewal by 30 to 40%. So when our body ages, the cells become less permeable, causing various functions in the body to slow down. Increasing the cell permeability is going to help it absorb more nutrients and water. And oxygenated blood cells will excrete more toxins, improving overall metabolic exchanges.
Yeah, so and microcurrent is very good for all of these. Of course, we combine the technologies when you come in, based on your lifestyle, based on your skin concerns, and also on what we see on the analysis, because that's a big part of our introductory facial. Based on the skin analysis, your skin needs, concerns, we give you a nice tailored treatment plan that will include most of all our treatments, yeah, for you to see the best results.
So now we're going to talk about microcurrents technology.
Tiny electrical impulses will lift and tone the facial muscles, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Galvanic rollers promote lymphatic drainage, and an ultrasonic massage boosts collagen production and calming of the skin. The skin around the eye area is one of the first areas to feature signs of aging because it's thin density. With many electrical treatments, it's impossible to work close the eyes area, but with microcurrent you can. So it's very, very good for also the eye area. So you can work with the microcurrent.
Now let's look at before and after of microcurrent. How do you like that before and after?
I love it. You can totally tell her volume on her skin got much better. Her lines, fine lines and wrinkles.
Mm-hmm. So now we're going to talk about the Venus Glow. Some benefits from the Venus Glow is it brightens your dull skin. It's going to improve uneven skin tone. It moisturizes your skin, and then it also removes blackheads and whiteheads. Ooh.
Yeah, that's a very, because it has suction, so the suction is very strong and it can remove all the impurities in the skin. If you have some breakouts and something like that also as well. It has the tip, it rotates, so it removes all the dead skin, and it has a jet of saline water, so it's gonna be good to hydrate the skin, and it kills the bacteria as well.
So now, did you talk about? So now we'll talk about the technology that goes into the Venus Glow.
So the process starts with a wet microdermabrasion that extracts all skin impurities and simultaneously delivers essential nutrients targeting the deepest layers of the skin. So if you have ever got a microdermabrasion done, it's similar, but it's a wet microdermabrasion, so it feels really nice. The vacuum gently pulls the skin into the top of the applicator to open the pores by removing impurities from the stratum corneum. Each jet strain is finer than an average strand of hair. It's measured only by 50 to 70 microns, which is smaller than the average, enabling the saline to effectively deep clean each pore.
So it gets really in there.
Yeah, so it's very.
So now let's
targets your skin very good.
Let's look at the before and after.
Wow. Yeah, so it's a very, very deep cleaning of the skin. It hydrates your skin and it polishes your skin.
Now let's talk about one of our newer treatments, the Aqua Pure.
So the Aqua Pure has a lot of benefits. The first one, it exfoliates the skin, it hydrates the skin, which is very important. Especially over here, we can see it every time that we see skin analysis. One of the most common conditions is dehydrated skin. Mm-hmm. Because we live in a desert, people tend to have very dry, very dehydrated skin. So it's gonna be very good for hydration of the skin. It also boosts collagen and elastin, peels away impurities and dead skin, and it also diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. Aqua Pure is a 4-in-1 hydrodermabrasion treatment that targets uneven skin tone, congested pores, excess of oil, dehydrated skin, fine lines, and wrinkles. This treatment exfoliates the skin, removing impurities and boosts collagen production to leave the skin clear, refreshed, brighter, and plumper. Very nice treatment.
So now let's talk about the Aqua Pure technology.
You can.
So the Aqua Pure technology, it is the ultimate facial platform, and that's because it uses optimized user-focused technology, and this addresses a multitude of skin concerns using a 4 handpiece and pieces and 3 proven serum formulas. So the spray that you see in the right-hand corner, that allows for equal distribution of applied solutions at a range of 10 different levels, which maximizes treatment efficiency and clinical results. And then the list that you see right below, that's like the list of all of the great ingredients that are in the serums that are gonna just like help you be more hydrated.
Yeah.
So I guess I forgot a before and after of Aqua Pure. It's my bad. Oh no, wait, I have a video for Facebook, but this just shows like you're getting 4 treatments basically in one, which is really cool. So you got that first one, the Aqua Peel, the electroporation, the microcurrent next, and then you got cooling and heating. So that is like a win-win-win-win, right? All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and look at the before and after. I did have that on here. All right, that's a good before and after. That's beautiful. So before we get what we're going to be talking about next, the last portion of today is more about our lasers. But I want to know what's the difference between fractional, non-fractional, ablative, and non-ablative lasers, because when you're looking for treatments, you hear these words all over the place and you don't really understand what the difference is. So you can see the diagram here and the different like how it ends up penetrating the skin. So a fractional laser treatment offers a lighter, less intense approach to laser rejuvenation. And non-fractional resurfacing treatments are typically used for more severe issues, including deeper age spots, deep wrinkles. But these procedures, they're typically more invasive than the fractional treatments. So that means you're gonna have like way more downtime. And for that reason, they usually involve more downtime, even light sedation, as well as topical and injected anesthesia products. So that's something to think about before you decide to go non-fractional. At Novu Skin, all of our treatments are fractional, so you aren't. It's just I like it better. Yeah, it's less downtime.
You can go back to your normal life faster, and but you still
even less risks of infections and stuff too, I believe.
Yeah, but you still see the same
with ours.
Or even better. And because you're doing fractional, the thing is, it's easier for the skin to heal because you're leaving like your normal tissue, and then that will help the other tissue rebuild. So that's why it's faster to heal.
So let's go over ablative or ablative and non-ablative.
Okay, so about ablative and non-ablative. So ablative lasers remove the top layer of the skin by vaporizing the outer layer of the skin and require significantly downtime due to the healing process. Ablative treatments aren't recommended for darker skin types. Our treatments are for all skin types, so that's why we have also non-ablative lasers. So non-ablative lasers work by heating up the underlying skin tissue without harming the surface, so that your body will produce new collagen because they do not resurface the skin as invasively as ablative lasers. Multiple treatment sessions will be necessary. However, patients benefit from almost no downtime, and the risk of undesirable side effects is greatly reduced.
So now let's go into our ND-YAG and our Alex laser. So our benefits from this is that it stimulates new collagen, boom, skin rejuvenation, it reduces acne and oil, it tightens dilated pores, it removes dead skin, it's going to improve your skin tone and your texture, and it reduces blackheads and whiteheads. And then it also diminishes those fine lines and wrinkles, and it has lesion removal too. So you've got those pigmented spots, birthmarks, melasma, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, spider veins. It's going to get rid of all that stuff. And then also it works for laser hair removal.
Yeah, and it's a very good way to remove hair as well. So we use it for both. We use it for treatment and also for laser removal. If you are not aware, we do have laser removal packages that if you're interested, you always can talk to us about it.
Yep, and so this one is a non-fractional laser. It's most effective solution for pigmentation, discoloration, everything we kind of just talked about. It's proven to treat concerns such as hyperpigmentation very efficiently. And it's also available for body treatments. So you can do like your chest and your hands too. So now let's get a little bit more into that technology. Like I said, it's non-invasive, FDA approved. It's a medical grade 4 laser. They have two different wavelengths. That's why I like the Alex one is better for laser hair removal. And then your ND-YAG, that one's gonna be the one that you're gonna be using for like your vein therapy and your skin tightening, all that good stuff.
Yeah, and it's all with the YAG, you can do all skin types as well because it targets hemoglobin.
Which is definitely a bonus. Now I want to show you guys a before and after from the ND YAG. Just give me a second, I'll find it on Instagram. So many slides. There we go. All right. Now we're going to talk, actually this one is our latest laser, our Frax laser. Everyone loves this one. The benefits from this are skin resurfacing, it reduces your pore size, it diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, and it improves acne scars, surgical scars, and stretch marks.
So the Frax laser is a fractional non-ablative treatment designed for the skin resurfacing and improving skin texture. This treatment, if you do this treatment, you're gonna have a little downtime, maybe a week. It's normal. You're gonna see how your skin starts changing and improving. It's amazing. So when you do the Frax, just make sure you don't have anything important. You're not getting married the day after, you know.
Maybe a little bit longer than that. Here's a good before and after from that Frax laser. So
I love it.
the next slide, the next slide I want to get into is, I think it's really important because people ask a lot of questions about this, but I want to know what the difference is between IPL and laser. Let me just pull this up for Instagram real quick. You can go ahead and get started, Lily.
Yes, so what's the difference between IPL and lasers? So IPL is polychromatic, so it has many colors. It diffuses and scatters in tissue, and it pours depth of penetration. The ND-YAG laser, for example, it penetrates deeply to reach the target. It is a single color, so it targets to target the structure, and it doesn't diffuse or scatter, so it's focused. So pretty much in the picture you can see the difference. So IPL stands for intense pulse light. So the target of the IPL, because it's water, it's also hemoglobin, and it's also melanin, so the pigment. With the laser, you can choose what would be, it's always water. Of course, the lasers are gonna always absorb water, but either it could be hemoglobin or it could be melanin. So that's the difference when it comes to IPLs and lasers.
So I bring this up because we have a treatment called TriBella. The benefits from TriBella is that it improves your skin tone, texture, and elasticity. It's going to enhance the collagen production. It diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, and it treats acne scars, rosacea, enlarged pores. I don't know that word. Pigmentation.
Which one?
The one with the D.
Dyschromia.
Dyschromia. Okay, I just didn't want to say it wrong. TriBella is known as a facial rejuvenation treatment that can simultaneously enhance skin tone, tightness, and texture. Its powerful therapy results in younger, smoother looking appearance. So let's talk about the technology that goes with the TriBella.
There's so much technology in TriBella.
Yeah, it's crazy. Treatment. If you see all of those on the right-hand side, so basically you're getting 3 treatments.
Yeah, so
in one, kind of like the Aqua Pure. You get like a lot.
Yeah, so the TriBella combines 3 effective facial rejuvenation therapies into one treatment. The result is a high intensity, non-invasive, effective
form of skin removal. So you got that skin rejuvenation. That's going to be providing an effective treatment for benign pigmented lesions and vascular lesions utilizing the IPL technology. It's going to deliver a direct burst of energy onto the target areas of your skin. Then you've got that second applicator, which now is doing your anti-aging, and that enhances collagen production to reduce the appearance of skin laxity, and it's going to fade the appearance of wrinkles. And then last, you've got that skin resurfacing, which is going to improve the appearance of textural skin conditions such as your acne scars and all those other scars. Your rosacea, your uneven skin texture, your enlarged pores, your dyschromia, and your pigmentation. So it's a really awesome treatment. Let's show you a good before and after.
Very complete treatment. Yeah.
Yes. So if you guys stay tuned,
all the pictures that you're seeing, it's a series of treatments.
Yeah. So if you guys stay tuned, thank you so much for watching. Just to say thank you, we've got a really cool two special discounts just for you. You guys have 48 hours to redeem this special deal. So if you aren't a member and you want to become a member, or if you're just really interested, you get 10% off of new memberships. And then also, if you're interested in laser hair removal, 10% off of laser hair removal packages. So text that number. If you have questions, put them in the comments now. I see we have one. I'm just going to read out the number real quick. So text the code Live and Learn to 855-948-0212. Just text that number, code Live and Learn, and we can get you scheduled in and you can get one of these awesome deals. But we've got a question on Instagram. It says, I'm a VIP. Can I get this for the deal? You can get the laser hair removal package deal, but the other one is just for new members. Any other questions regarding treatments, you guys? We'll give you a second. Typing sometimes takes a while, but so stay tuned, because next Thursday, so we do these every Thursday at 5, and then we always have special deals too. So
very exciting.
It's worth coming and engaging with us, but also like let us know what you guys are interested in learning about, because we like making these Live and Learns for you guys. We want to give you guys something back, some educational stuff. So even if you have questions about like just regular skincare concerns, like this is our time to talk about it. We've got our awesome esthetician here that's like happy to answer any questions for you. So yeah, feel free to ask away. But all right, I'm gonna call it just because we haven't gotten anything. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next week, okay? Thank you.